Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and Asian-style noodle dishes get cooked up a lot in our kitchen. I'm going to share today with you guys one of my personal favorites, Sesame Udon. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a block of extra firm tofu. Tofu is such a fun ingredient to play with and I would recommend it to anyone. We're going to pat that dry with a paper towel and cut that into cubes. Grab a Tupperware container just big enough for the tofu and pour in soy sauce, pure maple syrup, onion powder, garlic powder, and some Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have cooking wine, you can use rice vinegar instead. Put the tofu into the container, put the lid on, give it a good shake, and marinate it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to start prepping our broccoli. We're going to cut this into manageable bite-sized pieces. When Zoe's doing this, she makes them huge. But I'm preparing this today, so we'll have pieces that are actually bite-sized. Now let's make our sauce by grabbing a small bowl and adding soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of water. Grab a large pan, put the stove on high, and drizzle in some sesame oil. I'm using this pan with higher sides since everything will be in this pan at the end. Going back to our tofu, we'll pour out the remaining liquid and toss the tofu into our pan. We're going to fry these until they have some nice color to them and then add our broccoli. Keep frying this for about another 5 minutes. Now I actually have this fancy ready to serve udon, so all I have to do is microwave these bags for 90 seconds to help loosen the noodles. We'll add the udon and sauce to the pan and mix everything together. Our sauce is very liquidy right now, but it'll start to reduce and everything will get nice and sticky. It's not sesame sauce without our sesame seeds. I'm going to toast these to help bring out the flavor. We're going to put the seeds into a small pot on high and stir constantly for about a minute. You'll know they're done when you're just about able to smell them. Now mix it in with everything else. Now that everything's done, let's slice up some green onion and plate this dish. Doesn't that just look delicious? Let's give it a shot here. Oh yeah. This dish is the perfect combination of sweet and flavorful. Every single bite makes you want to go back for the next. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know how your meal turned out in the comments section below. Like and subscribe for future vegetarian and vegan meals, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
That was awful.
That was a horrible oil pull.
Why'd you start here and then you went boom? You're supposed to go boom.
Yeah, I feel like almost cleaning the pan out and trying that again.